Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A17 and today I'll go over unboxing and a quick spec look of this phone. So anyway, let's just cut straight into it. Here. Wow. Okay, my disappointment already is immeasurable. Whoops. Right off the bat, OPPO dropped a ball there and completely effed up by including a micro USB in 2022. Are you kidding me? How inept can you be in designing phones? Okay, anyway, I guess there's a good law coming in that will prevent this bullshit execution of like cost saving. Like, how much did you save here, Apple? 10 cents? Like, go F yourself here with this. Jesus, it's frustrating. So, just to put that out there, this phone is released at almost the end of 2022. And it's running a micro USB. Are you like effing stupid? Anyway, let's just get into this. Now, I already considered this phone to be garbage because of this just one inclusion of a micro USB. Like, if a company includes this, I have no hope for the phone itself. Anyway, let's just quickly run down. 720p display, 6.5-inch display, LCD IPS, no higher refresh rate, 269 pixels per inch, Android 12, so that's at least nice, ColorOS 12.1, their skin. MediaTek MT6765 or Helio G35 processor, 4 gigs of RAM. I guess it's okay. We have expandable storage with micro SD card, 64 gigs built-in storage, eMMC 5.1 type of storage. Now when it comes down to cameras, 15 megapixel wide sensor, 2 megapixel depth. Again, don't include that shit here, it's completely useless. 5 megapixel front facing selfie, and what else is there? Oh, 5000 milliamp hour battery, a 10 watt charger that got included in the box, so at least that's nice, and a overpriced price tag of 160 or almost 170 euros. For this price, go F yourself. Like, that's basically what I got to say. This price for a phone like this is just ludicrous. Not only does it like not give you anything worth the money, it just even scams you and, you know, lubes up the middle finger right there and gives you a micro USB. Like, what is this? I guess you should be thankful that you have a headphone jack on a budget phone, though this is literally a phone that I would expect paying 100 euros for, not 160 or 170. This phone should be 100 euros, and that price range, sure, it would be fine. I wouldn't have any problem, though I would still have a problem with micro USB because Xiaomi can still manage to make a $100 or even sub $100 phones with Type-C ports that basically run or are as good as this. So yeah, I have no redeeming features here that would sell this phone actually. So yeah, now probably if you're wondering, I'm just trashing this phone. I tend to cater towards the negativity of phones. when they're doing things incorrectly, which this entire phone is just incorrect, and I tend to just quickly glance over the good parts, which in the case of this phone is just like, I guess, a decently big battery, and that's about it. So yeah, I think that's it. Now, like I said, if this phone would have been like 100 euros, then this phone might have been a little bit better priced. Most certainly, I wouldn't mind the LCD IPS without any higher refresh rate at 720p at like $100. For 170, I expect it to at least have a 1080p display, or 720 with like, I don't know, maybe 90 hertz refresh rate. Just give me something for the extra $60 that you charge that you give me nothing with. The charger isn't worth 60 freaking dollars. You might as well not include it also. It's like 10 watts. What is this? So yeah, honestly, not much to say here. For this price tag, if it's 100 euros, it's much different topic. 160, hard pill to swallow. And for that price, I wouldn't recommend it. If you can get it for 100 and you really want this phone, then sure. At that price range, I would say it's a viable solution. Obviously, it's not going to be good or anything like that, but at $100, you're looking for like the bare minimum phone just to work, and this will do the job. So yeah, with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.